Henry Ford had one of his famous quotes. It's my favorite. It's my favorite Henry Ford quote. And he says, there are no unachievable goals, just improbable deadlines. Right? So time sensitive also needs to be part of your achievability. Make sense? All right, so let's see if my little matrix clip works.
This is a sparring program, similar to the programmed reality of the Matrix. It has the same basic rules like gravity. What you must learn is that these rules are no different than the rules of a computer system. Some of them can be bent, others can be broken. Understand? Then hit me, if you can. Good. Adaptation, improvisation. But your weakness is not your technique.
Morpheus is fighting Neo.
How did I beat you?
You're too fast.
Do you believe that my being stronger or faster has anything to do with my muscles in this place? You think that's air you're breathing now? Again.
Jesus Christ, he's fast. Take a look at his neurokinetics. They're way above normal.
What are you waiting for? You're faster than this. Don't think you are. Know you are. Come on, stop trying to hit me and hit me.
I don't believe it. I know what you're trying to do.
I'm trying to free your mind, Neo. But I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it. Tank, load the jump program.
This is important for the talk today. How many people have seen The Matrix? Do you recognize this scene? Yes. It's when Morpheus first gets Neo. And he's introducing him to the fact that what they think is real, what most people think is real, isn't real. You know, kind of like American politics. Kind of like food labeling. Right? The Matrix. And they're in this program, and the program, right? They're both plugged into the matrix. They're in the program, and they go through this process of he's saying, hey, beat me. You know, you got to beat me, Neo. And so they're doing this martial arts stuff. And through the process of it, you know, Morpheus just keeps walloping him. And there's one point where he tags Neo really hard. Neo drops to the ground. He's just drenched in sweat. His gi's all jacked up. He just broke some beam, right? Remember that scene? He's laying there, kind of gets up. And Morpheus is just standing there, not even sweating, nothing, not breathing. His gi's perfect. And he just kind of goes, why do I keep beating you? And Neo goes on, well, I mean, you're just too fast. And he goes, do you really think your muscles have anything to do with reality in the Matrix? He goes, do you really think that's air that you're breathing right now? Right? And I love that scene because